Revolutionize your tile roof solar projects with SoEasy One-A-Hook. Our dual patented innovative system enables up to 3 times faster installation with just one tool throughout the entire process. Install the entire system with a single tool. Complete full system installation with one tool, reducing tool switching, simplifying processes and improving efficiency. 2 patents. Smarter technology. Patented rail connector and grounding system, setting a new benchmark for PV installation. Triple speed, double the efficiency. One tool installation, unified tool, 30% faster installation. Patented click and design, no drilling required, push to lock instantly. High pre-assembly, factory pre-assembled, reducing on-site workload by 50%. Millimeter precision, all-scene adaptation, 3-way adjustable hooks, flexible for all routes, precise obstacle avoidance. Wide compatibility, fits 30-35 mm mainstream module thickness. Invisible integration, clean aesthetics, patented concealed grounding, hidden wiring for both safety and visual appeal. End cap design, integrated with beauty, safety and dust-proof. One tool plus click-in plus pre-assembly equals triple speed. Unlock next-level installation efficiency.